I run a small coffee shop in Osaka. It's been in my family for years. Simple place, wooden chairs, soft lights, and fresh coffee. People didn't just come for the drinks. They came to talk, smile, relax. Then robots started showing up all over the city. They cleaned streets, worked in hotels, even hospitals. Friends told me, get a robot in your cafe. It'll make life easier. So I got one. I named her Rin. She was efficient. Took orders, served coffee, even said, "Have a nice day," with a fake smile. At first, it felt good, but something slowly changed. My regular customers stopped coming. One man quietly said, "It's not the same here anymore." No one talked, no laughter, just machines working. And I realized my cafe had lost its heart. Then, in Tokyo, a robot nurse made a mistake, gave wrong meds. The patient's condition worsened. That moment hit the whole country. People started asking, are we depending too much on robots? One day, a little boy came to my shop and asked his mom, "Is that a real person working there?" That simple question broke me. That night, I unplugged Rin, brought back my old team. Now it's just us again. And people have started returning. Someone said, "Feels like home again." Moral: robots can help, but only humans can truly care. Let's not lose our hearts chasing convenience.